In this video, we'll learn how to create the 2023 season has come to an end TikTok or Instagram Reel video that you can share with your friend and family members. So 2023 is almost over, and if you saw these videos pop up over your feed and want to create one for yourself, follow my steps because you can do this in just a couple of seconds. We will need the CapCut and TikTok applications for this. CapCut is absolutely free, and if you don't have it installed on your device, make sure to go over to your App Store or the Google Play Store and download and install CapCut. We can then go over to the next step and open the TikTok application, and then we'll tap on this search icon. You want to type 2023 season comes to an end, and then you'll see a bunch of different videos with different 2023 templates applied to them. You can select whatever template you want because we have the 2023 recap, thank you 2023, and a lot more. You can scroll through the videos and select the one you want, but I will select this specific template. I have the audio in the background that says, and with that, the 2023 season comes to an end. And I also have the text at the beginning of the video. In order to create the same video, I will click on this CapCut, try this template option, and then use template in CapCut. We will wait a couple of seconds until the template imports in our CapCut editing application, and we will simply click on the Use Template in the bottom right corner. This is going to open our photo gallery where we want to select around 70 clips for our trending video. The first video that you select will last around 5 seconds, and it will be the cover video, so select one that you like and take your time for the rest. When you make the selection and think that your video is done, simply tap on the preview button and then CapCut will create our trending video. You can preview the video, add more text, add sounds, rearrange the videos in a different order if you have to, and so on. If you're happy with how your video looks like, simply tap on the export button or the add sound in TikTok, and you can then save your video to the gallery or share it with your followers on TikTok and Instagram Reels. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to leave a like on it, and I will see you in the next one.